What's up guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name's Matt and welcome to Royal Visuals. If you want to hit that subscribe button down below, that'll be fantastic. So, in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how you can add black cinematic bars to your videos and make your videos look more cinematic, more focused, the letterbox effect that you see in Hollywood films and TV series all over the world. So what we're going to do is we're going to head into this Premiere Pro right now and I'll show you how that's done. See you in there. Welcome everyone to Premiere Pro. I'm now going to show you how you can put cinematic black bars onto your video. It's really quick and simple. So what you need to do is, like me, you need to get your clip almost when it's finished or when you're starting it. It's completely up to you. But here's my clip of a video I uploaded a couple of weeks ago, and I'm going to use this as my example clip. So you got to make sure that your video is centered in the frame so it looks right. And then what you need to do is you need to right click, new item, and then you need to select adjustment layer and click OK on that, and that'll come up there. So what you do is you drag this onto your timeline, make it the length of your video. Normally towards the end, I normally match it with the color grading. And what you need to do now is you go to your effects panel and then type crop. You drag your crop effect onto the newly placed adjustment layer and it will come up in the effects control. If it doesn't show up there, then all you have to do is just window and make sure effects and controls are on, and that should pop up there. You need to put a value in the top and bottom bits of the selection here. So I normally put 12% top and 12% bottom, and I feel like that gives you enough of a letterbox. It doesn't look, it's not too much of the screen, but it's not enough. So what you can do is, if you want to have these coming in, you can then click the stopwatch, put these to 0, bring this a couple of clips, normally the center of the clip, and then 12 and 12. And then from there, what that'll do is that will just come in. So you can have that at the intro of a video, and that makes it look a lot more cinematic. You can see that's now there, and what you can do is, if you turn the effect off, you can see that they've gone. So this gives you a little bit of customization to your video, so you can have the video as letterboxed as you want. That was the quick tutorial on how you can put cinematic bars into your videos inside Premiere Pro. So we'll head back to the camera. See you there. Welcome back guys, I hope you enjoyed that quick little video. It's really simple and easy and makes your videos look a lot more cinematic with inside Premiere Pro. If you like this video, then if you could drop a like and a comment below telling me what you thought, and if you want, you can join my Discord channel using the link in the description, and it's a nice little filmmaking YouTuber community that I'm trying to grow, so hit that below and I'll see you in there. So that's done for yet another Thursday, so I hope I'll see you next week. See ya!